My dear students, I am your social teacher, MVM School, Yelahanka, Newton. Children, today's lesson, History, first lesson, part 2, Advent of European to India. Lesson overview, the Portuguese, 1498 to 1961 century, causes of rise of Portuguese, causes of the decline of the Portuguese, Dutch trading center, decline of the Dutch, the English or Britishers came to India 1600 century to 1947, French trading center, causes for the decline of French. So this is a lesson, children. So advent of Europeans to India. So totally French, Britishers, Dutch, all the Europeans came to India and starting trading centers only, established many trading centers. So see the map, all the Europeans came to India and established their trading center. Children, before, so this lesson, advent of the European to India. There were trade and commerce relationship between India and Europe since ancient times. There was a great demand for Indian spices like pepper, cardamom, ginger, and many other spices in Europe. The trade relationship continued between India and Europe and other Asian countries even during Middle Ages also. The Arab merchants carried the Asian merchandise into Constantinople of Eastern Roman Empire. So many Italian merchants would buy these goods and then sell in European countries. Like this, Constantinople was the center of the international business and considered as the gateway of European trade. Gate of European trade. Constantinople is also called Gate of European trade. While Arab merchants had gained monopoly over the trade in Asian countries, many Italian traders had gained a monopoly over trade in Europe, so that it continued the trade relationship. So when was the fall of Constantinople? So when was Constantinople occupied? 1453. Who is occupied? Ottoman Turks. So Ottoman Turks captured the Constantinople after the Turks started levying too many taxes on the goods. That's why so many other Europeans so first can started navigation sailors like Portuguese, especially first navigator Portuguese only can started the sea routes. Portuguese 1498 to 1961 century. On 17th May 1498, Vasco da Gama reached Calicut in Kerala, thereby discovered a new sea route to India. Through this route, the Portuguese were the first among Europeans to reach India. They gained trade monopoly with the eastern countries, building colonial empire, propagation of Christianity were their main aims. So causes for the Portuguese. So this is he is Vasco da Gama. Causes for rise of Portuguese. Jamorin, the king of Calicut, granted trade permission to voyager Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama got the trading permission. In 1509 century, Albuquerque was appointed as governor of India, viceroy. So he was the first viceroy of Portuguese, appointed after Vasco da Gama. In 1510, he captured Goa from the Sultan of Bijapur. Next, until Portuguese left India, Goa remained the capital of the Portuguese. So next causes, the successive governors after Albuquerque established colonies at Diu, Daman, Salsette, Basin, Bombay, Santome and Hooghly in West Bengal. And other places also can establish trading centers, Portuguese trading center. Causes for the decline of the Portuguese. So when was declining starting? Position of strong navy by the Dutch and English posed a formidable challenge to the Portuguese, so cannot face English and Dutch competition. And Portuguese government officials became highly corrupt. So own all the profit only can use himself only. That's why so Portuguese government not profitable. Losing their loyalty, later reduced their government has pathetic condition, very worst condition, poor condition. That's why Portuguese declining started. So religious fanaticism was the reasons for their decline. They attempted to convert the locals forcefully. So this is a bad effects. All the Portuguese people can marry to Indian women also. This is bad effects to Portuguese. With the decline of Vijayanagar Empire, the trade declined. So Portuguese, all the trading centers also can reduced. So already you know that Francisco Olmedo was the first Portuguese viceroy in India. They were first among the Europeans to enter India. To Portuguese happened to be lost among the Europeans to leave India. So children, who is first European came to India? Ask a question. Portuguese. Who is last leave to India? Portuguese only. No ma'am, Britishers. No. Britishers leave to India 1947 August 15 only. But Portuguese leave to India 1961. So who's last leave to India? Portuguese. First you can understand. So who leave to India? Who first came to India? Leave to India. Both question. So only same answer. Portuguese only first come to India and last leave to India only Portuguese. So next another one Europeans, the Dutch. The Dutch came to India after the Portuguese. Dutch from the Netherlands arrived in India in 1602 century. So can establish a Dutch East India Company also, and the company obtained monopoly to trade with countries in the east. It also came equipped with the mandate to wage battles. So small can provinces can occupy. So can started a peace treaties also, and local rulers Pulicat became a capital of Dutch trading centers. So many trading centers is there: Agra, Machilipatnam, Surat, Karaikal, Nagapatnam, Cochin and other places were Dutch trading centers in India. Decline of the Dutch. So Dutch decline of the Dutch, when was declining started? Dutch clashed with the English, but English defeated the Dutch. So cannot give the competition to Britishers. Unable to face English competition, Dutch turned their attention towards the islands of Southeast Asia. So Britishers came to India in 1600 only. So many Britishers came to India, can establish the trading centers also. In 1600 December 31st, Queen Elizabeth issued a royal charter authorizing East India Company to trade with eastern countries for 15 years. So first made a small agreement, so got permission also. Next the company started the business formally in 1613. So who's give the permission? The Mughal Emperor Jahangir can give the permission. Next Jahangir give the permission in 1615 century, obtained permission trade in Surat. Later trade centers were established in Agra, Ahmedabad, Bhuj. After this they established trade centers Calicut, Madras and Bombay. The Calicut was the first capital. Gradually, Britishers got more profitable manner, so increased trading centers also, trade also can day by day, so that is improvement. The obtained permission, Dastakas, the trade without any taxes in Bengal provision. So the present Bengal, Bihar and Odisha, so can got permission to Dastakas collecting taxes. And in Agra from Mughal Emperor Farooq Siyar, this measure to enable the British gain more strength. So can got more permission also, can all the administration also can started. The license issued to British traders conduct taxes trade known as dastak. In order to improve their strength, the British built forts around their residential areas and trading centers also. So, Ken started employed soldiers to protect their establishments. They also stocked arms and ammunition. So, can protection purpose only can store arms and ammunition. And in very short time, the English had is a strong army. So, can construct strong army also, can give the many soldiers can selected also. So next another one Europeans, so that is French. French East India Company started as a government owned company in 1664, can establish a French East India Company. The French opened their first warehouses in Surat in 1668 century. Within a short time, they established their trade centers in different parts of India. French trade centers. They opened their trade centers at Pondicherry, Machilipatnam, Calicut, Mahe, Karaikal, and Chandranagar. Pondicherry was the capital of French. So many places can started trading center, establish a trading center also, warehouses also. So most important Governor General Dupleix. In French Governor General, he got strength the influence of French in Hyderabad and Carnatic regions in East Tamil Nadu. With his clever diplomacy, many battles took place between the French and British, and they are called as Carnatic Wars. So you go to 10th standard children. So first Carnatic War, second Carnatic War, third Carnatic War. So who are participated as the same time in England also 7-year war had. So that is also in India and England same time can declare the war. So finally causes of decline of the French. French army commanders in India were not given complete support by the government of France. So this is the main causes for decline of French. Political confusions and revolutions took place in the France, led this to their decline in India. So cannot give the competition to Britishers in same time India and France. And another one causes French Navy was not superior to the English Navy, so cannot give the competition to British Navy. That's why so can started declining. This is the main causes for the decline of French children. So overall trading centers of all the Europeans children. This is a activity. Draw a India map and label the Britishers, Dutch and French and Portuguese trading centers. Listen the lesson which are the trading center is there. So you can collect the trading centers and label. So this is the one activity. Draw 3 India map, Britishers, Portuguese trading centers, British trading centers and French trading center. Label and posted in a group. Thank you.